In this video, I will show you how to add background song on Snapchat. So first of all, go to the Play Store, search for Snapchat and make sure that your app is up to date. If it's not, you will see this update button, click on it and your app will start updating. Once your Snapchat is updated, click on open. Then open the video or open the post that you want to post. Then in the top middle area you will see add a sound. You could either click on it or in the right side menu bar you will see this music icon, click on it. Then you can choose from songs here. There are multiple songs or you could search for any song. Then click on done. Then icon will appear in your post and if you click on it, then you can choose what part of the song that you want to put in your post. Then simply click on the tick button and you're done. And that's how you can add a background song on Snapchat. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you.